My 1955 Ford Thunderbird Sky-View Concept. This video has the top up on it. So we'll walk around. Won't describe everything I have on the other video, but I'll show the top. And I'll open the door when I get to the other side. See the Skyview gold script on the side. It's also open here. It's also on the glove box on the interior. Now you can see inside a little bit better. The Mark II Continental style interior. Teal color glass top. It's a rather hot day today, somewhere between 95 and 100. See if I'll open the hood. .292 Thunderbird V8 engine with a modified 1954 Ford colors being used on the valve cover and the engine. This is one of one, like Ford would have made, like they did their other glass tops in 1955. And you can see the, they pointed out the crown on the top, like the 55 Crown Victoria, with the fake vents. Okay, that's it. Thanks for viewing.